Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be bringing you some more fun Disney ear inspiration for your park look. And today it's going to be the Mickey ice cream bar ears. I just think these are so stinking adorable. Yeah, not only am I going to be doing my makeup here for you, but I'm also then going to show you my outfit on what I would plan to wear to the park to create the whole package for your Mickey ice cream bar inspiration. I already have on my, oh, hello. I have a little friend here that wants to say hello because he's just an attention hog. Say hello, Burley. Oh, not to me, to them. Anyways, I have my face done. I used one of the new foundations from my foundation drugstore test, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover. Set it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. I did a little contouring, very faint. My eyebrows are done by my Anastasia Beverly Hills products. So now all that's left are my eyes, cheeks, and lips.
So I'm using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. The first shade is Heaven. It's a very light cream color applied to the inner corner of your lid and under the brow bone. Next is Cashmere Bunny. It's a medium brown color, and I'm applying it with a small fluff brush. This is so great for blending colors together, this style brush. I'm going in with the MAC Ignite Wonder palette in the shade Wonder Years. It's a beautiful, very deep rose pink color. Back to the Too Faced palette, I'm going in with Chocolate Martini. This is a very rich, deeper chocolate color to really give you some depth in that corner of your eye. I'm going back in with that super awesome blending brush just to blend these colors in for a softer look, and then cleaning up some of the extra brown with that Heaven again, just so it looks a little more precise. I'm going to be using a chocolate brown eyeliner today, and I use a pencil that way I can smudge it out for a more smoky look. We can't forget about those beautiful lashes. Going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I really do like this wand. I feel like the wand itself, the shape of it, just helps get into all of those individual lashes to really give it the curl and the lift that they need. To make the eyes look a little extra big, I'm going in the waterline with the eyeliner from Sephora, and it's in the shade called Coconut. Needing to add that pop of pink to the cheeks, I'm using a blush from Tarte, and this is in the shade called Fearless. It's a very bold, like Dolly pink color. Cannot forget about the highlight, using from MAC the Soft and Gentle Mineralized Highlight. Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful for every day. I'm going in there at the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the Cupid's bow, also the tops of my cheeks, underneath the brow bone, the corners of my eye, and maybe a little dabble on my chin as well. Get ready to pucker up, baby, because it's time for some lips. We're using a liner from MAC again. This is in the shade called Soar. Honestly, the shade blends with so many of my lipsticks. It's a definite must-have for your collection. The shade lipstick I'm going to use is from MAC. It's Plumful. It's just a very deep pink berry color. It's so juicy. And then to finish it off, I'm using a lip gloss from Buxom in the shade Julep, and I'm just adding it right there to the center of my pout, and this will complete my makeup look.
I hope you guys enjoyed this little Mickey ice cream bar inspiration for your next Disney look, inspired by these cute ears. So the makeup's pretty simple. It's pretty natural as well. I just went a little bit deeper brown, so it looks like a little more smoky. It gets that like deeper, rich, dark chocolate hues in there. And then I just try to keep it, bright and pink on the cheeks and the lips to really make it pop and match the bow. And then as far as the look, it can be super simple. The white brings out the little ice cream, and then a little pink sneak to tie it all in. Also guys, clear bag. It does come in other colors, but I'm really loving this blush because it just is so neutral and it matches so many different looks. The clear bag is so in right now that I found this on Amazon and it is a good steal for a little bag. It does have like a longer strap if you want to wear it for like a crossbody or over your shoulder. Also, it comes with this little pouch on the inside so you can put like your more secret things that you want to hide inside of the pouch. That way it's not visible on the outside. If you guys liked this little makeup haul and little style lookbook, I would love it if you gave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can just click the image right here in the center and then make sure to hit the bell that's down below. That way you are notified every single time I upload a video. If you'd like to watch some more fun videos with me, you can check these videos out right here on the side. And until next time, stay sweet sunshines.